guys, welcome back to Dame Untamed. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, my name is Nikki and I'm obsessed with traveling. Today, we are rewinding back to when I took my very first solo trip. Whew. When I arrived in Chiang Mai, Thailand back in 2016, I was thrown into a world that was completely different than the one I grew up in. I immediately fell in love with the chaos, the culture, and the endless opportunity for adventure. Highly recommend Green Tiger House for your stay in Chiang Mai, especially for anybody who is a plant-based dieter like myself. So after settling into my hostel and connecting with some fellow travelers, we threw caution to the wind and went on to explore the city. Unique experience of my time in Chiang Mai would be celebrating the Thai New Year. The traditional festival of Songkran happens every year between April 13th and 15th and is known for its epic water fights. I'm talking streets full of people spraying each other with hoses, water guns, dumping buckets on each other. At one point, someone even dumped a bucket of red dyed water all over me, and it literally looked like I had been a part of a mass murder. It was wild. The Thai believe that water is spiritually purifying, so it cleanses you of bad luck and blesses you with happiness for the following year. And that turned into a water gun fight. As you can see from these videos, we got pretty involved and I had a really good time. But my absolutely favorite part of visiting northern Thailand, and probably my favorite part of the full 4 months I spent in Asia, would be experiencing a world-renowned elephant sanctuary. Elephant Nature Park is amongst Thailand's top elephant sanctuaries, acting as a retirement home for rescued elephants, and is considered a pioneer in the treatment of captive elephants. Now, I did a lot of research before choosing a sanctuary because it can be really difficult to decipher the truly ethical parks from the complete and total frauds. Honestly, slapping the word sanctuary in the name is a super easy way to fool tourists and scam them for profit. It's really sad. That term is not regulated and is often very misused and very misleading. I honestly can't stress enough that it is so important to completely avoid places that offer or promote elephant rides and or entertainment. Straight up. The process of training an elephant to become rideable is violent and horrifically abusive. Nature Park, I booked the 1-night, 2-day volunteer experience. Book longer than that. I immediately regretted not staying longer, so make sure if you go, stay longer. Do a full week volunteer trip. It's that good. I had my own private room, which was really beautiful, and it was directly next to where the elephants sleep. So waking up to their little trumpets in the morning was magical. I highly recommend putting Elephant Nature Park on your list of places to visit if Chiang Mai is on your travel bucket list, which it should be because it's amazing. It was a really humbling and eye-opening experience, one that I'll obviously never forget. And it was just beautiful to see good things being done and these animals really well taken care of. Being a responsible traveler is more important now than it has ever been, especially when it comes to animal encounters. We all need to develop a mindset as travelers, exploring the world around us responsibly and mindfully, while constantly questioning our impact and what it means to travel ethically. We all gotta be there. So get that, just jam it in there and make sure that that is something that's on your mind always. Do your research and make good choices. Simple as that. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.